80 animals.
Raccoon.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to 80 Animals. Are you ready to study? This time we will learn about raccoons. This is a raccoon. It looks funny. Before reading the story, we'll learn some words.
Mask. The boys have masks. We wear a mask so we can hide our face. When do you wear a mask? Do you have fun when you wear it? Paw. The paws of an animal are its feet. Animals grip things and walk with its paws. You see a female lion in the picture. The lion puts her 2 paws on the wall. Trash. After you use some things, you throw them away. Those things are trash. In the picture, you see a bottle and a milk carton. Someone already drank the stuff inside the bottle and the carton, so they are trash.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Paw. Trash. Mask.
It's time to read a story. When you finish, you will take a quiz.
What is the animal in the picture? It is a raccoon. A raccoon has black fur across its eyes. It looks like it's wearing a mask. A raccoon can use its front paws very well. It catches fish, carries eggs, and picks fruit with its paws. It also uses its paws to wash food. A raccoon eats animals and plants. Sometimes a raccoon can be found in town. It goes there to look for food. It even eats the trash in the town. A raccoon doesn't move around in winter. It takes a long rest during winter.
What does a raccoon use to wash food? Its front paws. Its hind paws. Why does a raccoon go to a town? To look for food. To play with people. What is true about a raccoon? It eats animals and plants. It wears a mask.
Did you enjoy this lesson? Great! I did too. That's all for today. Goodbye.